All right, this is video number 3 on the construction of the hog scalder. Just a couple of notes here. The air, this is the air inlet side, acting like a rocket stove, so air comes in the bottom. The outlet is slightly higher, it's 1 brick higher than this. These bricks are nothing cemented in, so these bricks you can move them further apart if you need more air drawn, or close it off if you need less. This is the side that the hog will be brought in on. We'll back the Jeep with the pack tray into it here. Use the winch, our little winchy system here, to get it off the back of the pack tray on the Jeep up onto this shelf, if you will. And we'll roll basically between the two of us here, we'll roll this thing into the water, which preheated to 150, 160 degrees, scald it, and then we'll have chains, which we don't have mounted just yet, but the two or three chains anchored here and draped across. And then when we've scalded the hog for about 3 minutes, scrape the hair scraping off, use those chains to pull them back onto this tray right here, where we'll do the scraping right here. On the side of the brickwork, there was a little bit of hole, which we used. There was a little bit of a hole here in an effort to plug in the to maximize heat in and to keep the flow coming up through this chimney here. We plugged that hole with an old potted plant root ball, and it seemed to fit really nice. It's kind of a field expedient plug to keep as much of the air, keep it as airtight as possible. Obviously there's lots of cracks. There's no cement or anything else filler between the blocks. So this is disassemblable, it's maneuverable, etc., etc., etc. So on the mirror image on the other side, there's another root ball over here that we plugged in, over here. This is the chimney. We can get a view looking straight down into that chimney. You'll see that the back of the tank is flush up against the chimney, and that hole down there is where all of our, hopefully, our air is going to be coming out. Again, if we're not getting a good flow out of here, we can widen this chimney by moving these bricks further apart. So it's totally adjustable. That's the idea. And we'll give you another video further on of actually operation with dead pigs.